Now next phase. Now we are going to derive formulas for 3 theta. So we first begin with sine 3 theta, then we will go to cos 3 theta, then we will go to tan 3 theta, one by one. Now for sine 3 theta, you know sine A plus B equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So let us replace A by 2 theta and B as theta. So you can rewrite sine 2 theta plus theta equal to sine 2 theta into cos theta plus cos 2 theta into sin theta. Why? Because A is replaced by 2 theta, B is replaced by theta. Now repeat, 2 theta plus theta is 3 theta. So sin 3 theta equal to, again breakdown, sin 2 theta already we have completed, 2 sin theta cos theta into cos theta plus cos 2 theta as 1 minus 2 sin a square theta. Again we have done it earlier, into sin theta. Now break down the bracket. Cos theta into cos theta, it is cos square theta, so which can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Now remove bracket, 2 sin theta into 1, 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta into minus sin square theta is minus 2 sin cube theta. Here sin theta into 1 is sin theta, minus 2 sin square theta into sin theta is 2 sin cube theta. Now 2 sin theta plus sin theta is 3 sin theta, and these two together is minus 4 sin cube theta. So sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos A plus B, using this you can get formula of cos 3 theta. I think now you are acquainted with the processes. So A replaced by 2 theta and B replaced by theta. Cos 2 theta plus theta equal to cos 2 theta into cos theta minus sin 2 theta into sin theta. Here our objective is to write cos 3 theta in terms of only cos theta. So cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 means we will take everything towards cos theta. Cos 2 theta 2 cos square theta minus 1 into cos theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta into sin theta. Go to next. Remove this bracket. It will be 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Here sin theta into sin theta was sin square theta. So that can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Minus 2 1 minus cos square theta into cos theta. So that is equal to 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus plus 2 cos cube theta. So if you will combine, cos 3 theta equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now again I am giving you another challenge. Derive by using similar technique formula of tan 3 theta and then formula of tan cot 3 theta. Okay, so you try. No matter, it is beginning, and you know this is virtual class. I am sitting in my room, you are sitting in your room. Even then, due to this technological advancement, we are doing all this. So be positive, be energetic, and do your work properly. I shall be coming to you with many such videos every day, and we will continue in this class. By the time when school will reopen physically, half of the course will be completed. But I need your energy, I need your support, and be positive, stay home, stay safe, and defeat Corona. Thank you very much. We'll meet tomorrow in another set of videos. Thank you very much.